Known scholar and virologist, Shad Jamil quit his position as chief advisor to the center's genome mapping program on Sunday. The senior virologist chaired the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomics Consortium, INSACOG. Consortium has been set up by the center to keep an eye on the circulating strains in India. Jamil has refused to give an explanation on his resignation, saying that he is not required to answer anyone. However, when one of the top media houses in the country tried to contact him regarding the news, he barely took a second to confirm it. Jamil has been critical of the ways the government has handled the pandemic, especially the second wave. As per reports, he has already a center about a possible mutant of COVID-19 in March this, but was disappointed to see their lack of preparedness. He has been advocating the health of doctors, saying that they are working endlessly to provide good service to the patient, but logistics of medical necessities should not be on them to provide. His article was recently published in the New York Times, where he criticized the center vehemently. He said that scientists are going through a lot in India. They are facing a stubborn response to evidence based policy making. The Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan and Renu Swarup, heading the Department of Biotechnology, were contacted to comment on the matter, but they remained unavailable.